Hi, I'm Jairo from Contabo. Today we're talking about nginx, one of the most powerful and widely used web servers. But it's more than just a web server. It's also a reverse proxy and load balancer that helps websites run faster and handle traffic more efficiently. Let's dive in. Nginx is known for its speed and efficiency, making it ideal for high-traffic websites and applications. Here's what it does. It serves websites just like Apache. It's a reverse proxy forwarding requests to backend servers, improving security and performance. As a load balancer, it distributes traffic to multiple servers, preventing overload, and caching and security helps optimize performance and protect against attacks. It's used by companies like Netflix, WordPress.com, and Dropbox, where speed and scalability make a difference. Installing nginx is easy. If you're using Ubuntu or Debian, just run this command. Once installed, nginx runs automatically. You can check if it's running with this command. To configure nginx, you'll need to edit its main configuration file located here. This file controls everything from web hosting settings to proxy configurations. After making changes, you need to restart nginx for them to take effect. Here's how to restart, stop, and reload it. Reloading is recommended because it applies changes without downtime, keeping your website live. One of the nginx's most powerful features is its ability to act as a reverse proxy, forwarding client requests to a backend server. This improves security and distributes traffic efficiently. To set up a basic reverse proxy, open your nginx config file and add this block. Now, any requests to your domain.com will be forwarded to a backend server running on a port 3000. So that's nginx, a powerful web server, reverse proxy, and load balancer. Whether you're running a high-traffic website or need a secure reverse proxy, nginx is a great choice. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.